J-Rock, Lil Bit, Kojak, Roderick, nigga, Bun Bills, 16 Junior, nigga, Killer nigga. Okay, I'm Pistol Pete, loose screws, I ain't got it all. So don't cross me when I'm trying to get my package off. I'm up and down Project Road, get my package off. I'm 5 days old cause I'm trying to get my package off. If you trying to set up in my hood, you gotta trap and cost. If you don't pay that cost, my pack will run you off. I make my own rules in Gloverville cause I'm the boss. I make my own rules in Gloverville cause I'm the... Pedro was my name, now I'm Pistol Pete. On the track, call me Rip cause I be killing the beat. You bite my style fake, nigga, you might lose your teeth. I rep Gloverville, nigga, till I D.I.E. And yo, you niggas still stuck with the old me. I done up my game up, better yet, yo, you stuck like Chuck. Which one you want, a hole in your gut or a hole in your throat? Have to put you on life support. I know jujitsu, I would jujitsu. Don't be talking out your neck, I have you swallowing your tooth. Bullets can't stop us, my whole squad bulletproof. And my flow is ever clear, like it's 180 proof. It was sorta hypnotizing, it will hit, no shoe. Had you trying to walk in my shoes and do the shit I do. Hitting the strip club, the litter, had these bitches getting loose. Biggest bottles that they serve, shitting on the other dude. Straight drop the serve, added water, wood to serve my crew. Niggas claiming they from Gloverville, but I don't know that dude. Hey, I'm 145 plus my gun, no muscle up. Fuck the size I got it caught, I'ma bust you. I'm from Gloverville, where we swing, where we tussle. If you get the best of me, then my niggas, they gon' rush you. If you get the best of me, then my niggas, they gon' rush you. If you get the best of me, then my niggas, they gon' rush you. No bench warmers, my nigga, we ball hoggers. We the all-star team, the Gloverville Globetrotters. I ain't worrying about them robbers. My little niggas packing choppers, not the show and tell. If we pull them out, we gonna chop you. I'm a ball hog, I can't stop balling. I hit the club and little, had them red bones crawling. I used to smoke that midget, now that purple guy that foggy. I grew up smoking weed like my daddy Bob Marley. I ball so hard, I'm the hood MVP. I'm the envy of your hood, your whole hood envy me. I'm the Matlock Lemon from the Globetrotter team. I'm the king where I'm from, every hood's nigga dream. Yo, you stuck in the hood, line selling niggas dream. Wolfpack, we taking off. We the all-star team. Get it right, bitch.